going to show you around Cars Land at Disneyland in California.
Hey there, I'm Mater. I dumb Mater, but without the duck. I'm so glad you came to see me. This sure is a special day.
We're going on Radiator Springs Racers.
The rock looks like a cart. Yeah. You're gonna pull on the yellow tab when he asks you, okay? You're gonna show him that.
Check on the yellow tab, guys. Check on the yellow tab. Perfect. Perfect.
Oh, here we go. You ready? You excited?
Why don't we see the car?
After we go on the inside.
Racing yet? Just follow Mater into town to get her. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Here's the race.
Yeah. Here comes the drink. Drink next.
Don't let drink catch you.
On this planet.
Radiator Springs. Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramon! Ramon means look, right?
Oh, Ramon's gonna paint us.
Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there.
Oh, we're gonna race them.
Uno for the money.
Ready to race?
Try to get ready and the quad.
I'm done. You were amazing. You made the win. I wasn't racing. Well, you can't win if you don't try. Right.
Oh, that. All right, now it's mom and sister's turn. We gotta go hang out with
Now
brother.
listen, when your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings and as long as you're in my town, have a great time.
There we are. Come on. Right here. Sorry. What'd you think of it? Huh?
Cool.
Would you do it again?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
But I wasn't scared that time.
That's your what, second time? Alright, I'm gonna put you
I
down so
want
you
to
can walk.
get the car that was like that.
Right now.
Look at this.
Where are we right now? We're at Cars Land, huh?
Yeah, look what I got.
Yeah, you're so excited.
I'm gonna open it.
Alright, let's eat a little and then we'll open it. We're at Flo's Cafe. We're at Flo's Cafe, huh?
Yeah.
What'd you get? Some french fries? Ooh, look.
That's good.
Alright, let's see. How'd you get them to light up? You press a button?
No. It doesn't have buttons.
How did you? I saw him light up right now.
There's a weed in
Oh, there he goes.
it.
Press down on his hat.
Yeah. Why does it feel like truck has a hat?
He lights up though. Can't hear him out here. But alright, we're gonna finish eating and then we'll finish opening it. Look at gas is only 63 cents right here. 73. Alright, slide him out. Pull him out. You get him? Oh, what did it come with in the back? Show me.
Stickers.
Whoa, that's a whole pack of stickers.
Yeah, and then we do it. How car?
Yeah, I got one. Oh man, this one is tight on there good.
Taking forever. Why are there so many?
Huh?
Why are there so many for cars?
It just is. Alright, last son. Alright, we got him out. Alright,
Yeah, does this go on top of him?
now you gotta get these off.
Oh, they're not pulled back. These are pulled
Yeah, they are. You pull them back. Look. They're pullbacks.
Because they just drive slow.
Well, he's old. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down. This is hard.
Thanks for the present.
Do you like it?